business today needs to have a Facebook page, and I will tell you why. All of your customers, without any doubt, are using different social media platforms on a daily basis. They are feeling more connected to the brands they like, and that way they are actually increasing their loyalty. If customers have a question, they can simply send a message via Facebook page or send a WhatsApp. They're getting different types of updates about sales or what is going on with the company or brand in general on a daily basis. And if your customers are getting their updates before everyone else, they're definitely going to be super happy and return to buy your products once again. So even if you have a website, you can't really update it on a daily basis. But if you have a Facebook page, you can update it even by just using your phone. You can go live and tell your customers a story about your business. You can post there without any limitations, even a few times a day. So if you have something important to update your customers, it's super easy to just type a post and post a picture or a video on Facebook. That way your customers will be happy because they will know what's going on with your business. They can reach out to you super simple. So make sure you are available and you are replying to their messages as quickly as possible. And that way you're increasing your customers' loyalty, which means that they will definitely return to buy your products again.